Fall is one of the year's best times to fish as water cools and fish get active. Whether in a farm pond or a large reservoir, angling now can provide fast action as fish feed heavily before winter. Largemouth bass are often as close as the nearest pond. Simple techniques like spin casting a MEP spinner are effective now. A number 3 MEPS is a large lure that entices fish of all size, and its flash and vibration attracts fish even in murky waters where livestock are present. Simply throw the lure past structure like stumps or stick-ups and use a steady retrieve. Striking fish nearly always hook themselves, making the MEPS a great choice for young and novice anglers. Another great lure requiring a little more finesse is the plastic worm. Tied as a Texas rig, a large hook behind a bullet weight is rigged with a 9-inch worm in such a way that the hook barb is embedded in the plastic. This weedless lure can be thrown directly into heavy cover where bass wait to ambush prey. Black is often a good color choice in dingy water. Angler Gail Huddle of McPherson, an accomplished worm fisherman, demonstrates this kind of fishing with a bait casting reel and 14-pound test line.
First thing you want to do is throw it out. When you throw it out there, just let it sink all the way to the bottom, and then just slowly pick it up and move it towards the shoreline, and let it hop a little bit, and then let it settle, and just slowly retrieve it. And then as soon as the fish bumps it, you want to drop your rod tip and let him pull up slack and then hit him.
The trick here is to wait. Strike too fast when you feel the bump and you may miss the fish. Huddle may wait several seconds as the line pulls away before setting the hook. Then the problem is clearing the fish from heavy cover where it often wraps the line. When worm fishing, throw directly into likely bass hangouts with an open route to reel the fish. Then, once hooked, horse it into open water where it's not likely to get away. This kind of fishing doesn't require big boats and fancy equipment. Depending on your personal interest, you can often find good fishing accessible from shorelines. Get in on the bounty of Kansas fall fishing. And check the Kansas Wildlife Parks and Tourism Annual Fishing Atlas for locations of all public fishing waters.
He's already got lunch almost down in his stomach. He still goes after a worm.
I'm Mike Blair for Kansas Wildlife Parks and Tourism.